Good afternoon to all. I'm very proud that I am here today to present what we are doing in Cyprus in the area of Earth observation and space technology. We are coming from the Cyprus University of Technology, and we are running the Eratosthenes Center of Excellence for the last 20 years in the area of space technology and Earth observation. Very quickly, what is our history? We are coming from the Cyprus University of Technology, which has been established by law on 2004, and we have our first undergraduate students on 2007. We have 20 undergraduate studies, and especially we have one postgraduate degree in the area of Earth observation, navigation, and space technology. We are based in Limassol, and this is our history. And now, during the Cyprus presidency of the EU, we are proud that Cyprus joined ESA as associate member. We started as a small remote sensing lab under the auspices of the Cyprus University of Technology in the Department of Civil Engineering and Geomatics at the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. And then we found a tool how to expand it to a center of excellence in the area of Earth observation. This tool is called Widening, European Commission call, and the project that we got is called Excelsior. This was a tool how to upgrade a small remote sensing lab to a center of excellence in Earth observation and space technology. We are based in Limassol, but we have several branches in Nicosia, Larnaca, Paphos, and Famagusta. What is Excelsior? Is the project that we got in order to establish the Center of Excellence. It's a widening call, 38 million euros, and we are proud that we have a consortium with strategic partners from Greece, which is the National Observatory of Athens. We have Tropos from Germany, is dealing with aerosols and tropospheric, atmospheric remote sensing. And we have also the Earth Observation Center from DLR. We have another entity from Cyprus. It's an R&D company dealing with incubation. It's called CYRIC. And we have the PMOD from Switzerland as affiliated partner in the area of solar radiation using Earth observation. And also, one important aspect that in this great collaboration, we have the government of Cyprus with us as strategic partner. The Department of Electronic Communication from the Deputy of Ministry, Research and Digital Policy. During the submission of this big proposal, we are proud that we received letter of commitments and letter of support of more than 1,000 partners and collaborators, not only in Europe, but on the international space arena. And we have support also from Hellas-Sat, from Geosystems, from several universities in Greece. And we are proud that we are using this stakeholder hub in order to expand our visibility as a part also of space diplomacy. And we are proud that during the Cyprus EU presidency for the last 6 months, our center was very active in promoting science and space technology. And later on, I'll give you some examples how we did this during the presidency of the EU. Why Cyprus? This is the motto that we went to Brussels to support this project 7 years ago. Why Cyprus? Is the super geostrategic location of Cyprus. There is a window. If you install a ground receiving station, we did it last year, we installed a ground receiving station for near real-time data. You have a window to the Eastern Mediterranean, Middle East, North Africa. And is situated in the 3 continents, and there is an excellent terrain for calibration and validation purposes. And don't forget the excellent weather condition for acquire cloud-free images. What is the profile of the center? We started from the university, we got this money from European Commission, and to establish the Eratosthenes Center of Excellence as a private entity with a separate board of directors. We have people in the board of directors that are coming from Europe and USA, and Cyprus region also is a non-profit, a private entity with 7 board of directors. And very quickly, just some quick numbers. We have more than 130 employees in the center. We received last year the HR for Excellence Award. We established 2 critical infrastructures. The one is a ground satellite receiving station in Pera or in East Village in Nicosia. It's fully operational now. We're receiving Sentinel-1, and we are working also with DLR from Germany to find more customers that are willing to have a partnership with us to download data near real time in Cyprus. We install also another unique strategic infrastructure. It's called calibration validation site for atmospheric sciences. It's a part of Actris network, and you have the opportunity in Limassol to do an excellent research and innovation activities in the area of climate changes, aerosol profiles, and cloud and aerosol interaction. And we are member of 50 European international networks. We established recently, with the support of the government, the National Cypriot Space Incubator, and we are proud that we have 4 young people that they established their own spin-off companies receiving this public money. We have 1 patent using Earth observation on reinforced concrete structures for identifying cracks on bridges. And we have several applications that are high TRL, like maritime surveillance with DLR, irrigation monitoring, we're using AI and observation, and other high TRL applications. I am proud for the last 5 years that we established the center. The total income is around 20 million euros from European funding, national funding, and services. Our vision, we want to be the reference hub in the area of geospatial technology and Earth observation in Cyprus and the Eastern Mediterranean region. This is the structure of the center. We have 3 research departments: environment and climate, resilient society with emphasis on natural disasters, landslides, fires, floods, epidemics. We have cultural heritage within the resilient society, and we have marine surveillance also. We have a department dealing with AI and big data analytics and geoinformatics. And on the environment and climate, we have a strong team dealing with atmospheric science, climate changes, water resources management, land cover, land use, and food security. As you can see, we identify some unique areas that we want to go on excellence on the left-hand side. And we are proud also that we collaborate with the university, offering master degrees in Earth observation and PhD also in space technology, navigation, and Earth observation. Here is our premises in the center of Limassol. And on the left-hand side is a big investment of the university, 13.5 million euros. The project is running, and we are planning next year to be in this state-of-the-art facility. This is a new building for the Eratosthenes Center of Excellence. This is a unique infrastructure that I mentioned before. You have the opportunity to receive near real-time satellite data. As you can see on the map, there is critical region coverage. You see a window to Sudan, Baltic states, Tunisia, Sardinia, Caspian Sea, and Strait of Hormuz. This is ground receiving station is fully operational now in Cyprus, and you have the opportunity to receive data in 3 bands. I have to run because probably I'm running out of time. This is the other unique infrastructure that we have, is member of Actris, and is aerosol and cloud observatory using Earth observation for climate changes. Another unique infrastructure near 500,000, solar radiation network. And we are very proud that we are very active on Horizon 2020, Horizon Europe, and several other projects. We are the focus point of UN SPIDER on disaster risk reduction. We educate people based on this unique office in Cyprus on disaster risk reduction. We develop on the national level, and we want to expand this data cube in other countries that we are willing to discuss. We established the Cyprus National Data Cube for Cyprus, using at the moment MODIS Landsat and Sentinel data, and we are planning to expand this in the nearby area. We have a strong interest from the Eastern Mediterranean region, especially from Tunisia and other countries. This is a project that we have with Geosystems and LAS and other partners, is border surveillance using AI and Earth observation. And we're running another project, the Marine Spatial Planning for Cyprus and Greece, for establishing the Marine Spatial Plan of Greece, because Cyprus has already established them, and several other projects with Horizon Europe on food security, agroforestry, using data cubes and Earth observation. I'm not going to mention. Carbon footprint using Earth observation for agricultural fields. This is a project that we have with DLR on maritime surveillance using our ground receiving station. Education, I mentioned it. We have PhD programs and MSc programs, entrepreneurship. We're running the Space Big. We are going to apply by September for acquiring the ESA Big in Cyprus. And we have two high TRL. The one was irrigation demand using AI and Earth observation. You forecast the irrigation for the next days, and we tested this in Cyprus. We moved to Tunisia, and this is another high TRL on disaster risk reduction. It's a multi-hazard approach using AI, GIS, and Earth observation. And we are strong in living labs using Earth observation. And I'm finishing. This is 5 slides. Why science, why space? During the Cyprus presidency of EU, Cyprus government adopted the recommendation for the space diplomacy, and especially in the science sector using space technology for strong collaboration and adopting several policies. You can find this on the website. During the Cyprus presidency, we signed an MOU with Evident. Thank you very much, Betty and Thanasis, for this excellent event in Cyprus. And we have 6 conferences under the Cyprus presidency. This is with the government, with the Cyprus Space Office, the signing of the associate membership of ESA. We participate in Limassol. And as Eratosthenes Center of Excellence, we attended the EU Space Days and several other events that we have with the government. We spend money to organize, to exploit international and European collaboration like the Ocean and Waves, the EU network. We organize a big event with the Chamber of Commerce and Industry on space solution and AI. We organize also some other events, India, Egypt, and we are trying to organize with Italy now. We have the Minister of State from Germany, I'm finishing, in our premises, and several other attaché visits. And I'm finishing now. This is my final slide. During the break, I'm happy to exchange some ideas how to collaborate. Space diplomacy and strategic collaboration is not a title. It is how Eratosthenes Center of Excellence connects Earth observation science into national capability, self-sustainability, and international standing. Thank you very much for your attention.